Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use BeFree. BeFree is a platform that you can use to create an email. So basically it is an HTML email builder. You can also use it to build web pages. So if you would like to create a landing page, whether to host on your own website or you can host it on BeFree. You can get started on BeFree for completely free. All you'll need to do is tap on Get Started in the top right hand corner. But before doing that, I want to show you some reasons why I would recommend that you give BeFree a try. The first thing is you can sign up and you don't need a credit card or anything to get started. And also, they offer numerous integrations. So after you have created your email, you can integrate it on MailChimp, Brevo, Gmail, HubSpot, Constant Contact, or you can use it on Campaign Monitor or Klaviyo, as you can see right here. So they offer numerous integration options. Now, once you are signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, all you'll need to do is tap on Create New. After you have tapped on Create New, you can either choose to create an email or you can choose to create a web page. I'm going to be selecting Create New Email. So once you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And from here, you can see different templates that they provide you with. So you can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these templates you would like. But if you don't want to use one of the templates, you could simply tap on blank template and you can start creating your own template. But for the sake of time, I will be using one of these pre-made templates and be showing you how to edit it. So let's say I want to prepare one for Black Friday sale. So I'm going to tap on Start Designing. After you have selected Start Designing, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, all you need to do is tap right there to close that. So you could say remind me later. After you have done that, you can see all of the elements on the right hand column right here. So whether you would like to add text, image, button, anything at all, you can do that from the right hand column right here. All you'll need to do is simply drag and place it where you want on your page. So you can drag and place it anywhere, and you can also scroll down like to change a particular text. All you'll need to do is simply tap on that section and you can change the text for that section. And by scrolling down even further, if you would like to change the images, you could simply tap on the image, and after you have tapped on the image, you could select change image, and from there you could upload the image that you would like to add. You can also add a URL, so if someone were to tap on the particular image, it would redirect them to that URL. And you can tap right where you see button. You can change the text on the button, and you can also add the link, or better yet the URL that they will be redirected to once they tap on the button. And if you need assistance with writing, if you need some ideas or so on, you could tap on Write with AI and you will be able to use their AI feature to write for you. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you can scroll up, and then from there we could tap on rows right here and you can see the different rows. After you're finished, you can tap on settings and you can explore the settings feature. So if you'd like to change the background color, you can do that. If you'd like to add an image to the background, you can also do that, as you can see right there. Once everything is okay, we're going to go over to the top left hand corner, and from there you could choose to send out a test email by simply tapping on test email right there. But let's say you don't want to send out a test email. Instead, you would like to preview it. You could tap on preview from the top left hand corner. So once we have tapped on preview, you can see the preview mode right here. So this is how it looks at the moment. If it is okay to you, all you'll need to do now is tap on the X in the top right hand corner to close out of the preview mode. And from there, we could simply tap on exit right here in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on exit, you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see right here, choose how to push your email to sending platform. You can tap right there to close that. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this dashboard as you can see right here. So this is the URL that you can copy to share, or you can simply scroll down, and if you would like to embed it, for instance, you can do that. All you'll need to do is tap right where you see export. Once we have tapped on export, you can see copy the HTML. So we are going to be doing that. So we'll simply tap right here. If you would like to copy the HTML and images, you can also do that right there. So let's say we were to do that. We'll tap right there. After I've done that, you're going to give it a few seconds. It has been copied as you can see right there, ready for download. So it has been downloaded. And if it was a case that you wanted to copy the HTML instead, you could have tapped on it. Then from there, we could tap on copy the HTML code. After you have copied the HTML code, let's say I wanted to add it to my Google Sites. All I would need to do is tap on embed, then select embed code, and I could paste the code right here. Then I could tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will see all you'll need to do is tap on insert. Once you have tapped on insert, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you can also do this on WordPress website as you can see right here. All you'll need to do is simply drag along the box right to increase or decrease the size. And that's it. All you next is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and it will now be live as you can see. So let's go back to the BeFree platform. So we're in the X. Now I'm going to go back to the main dashboard. So let's do that real quick. Once on the main dashboard, I'm now going to show you how you'll be able to create a web page using BeFree. So once on the main dashboard, we're going to tap on create new in the top right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on create a new page. After you have tapped on create a new page, you will be redirected to this dashboard. From here, once more, you'll be able to choose from one of the templates. So as you can see, there are numerous templates that you can choose from. You can also select a category that you would like to use. So you can do that from the left-hand menu option. All you'll need to do is scroll down. Once you have found a template of your liking, you could tap on it and you'll be able to edit it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use BeFree.